Hello everyone. If you're able to see me and hear me, please type one in the chat box. Thank you for confirming. So first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the fact that you are all here. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart because you could be doing so many other things. And I know time is the most valuable asset. And I will try to give the best value of your time. And this is a 90-minute session. And in this session, we'll be discussing in detail about our Diploma in Cosmetic Science course, which is happening in Bangalore. Our academy is in BTM Layout, Bangalore. So we have the course Diploma in Cosmetic Science, which is happening there. So we'll be discussing about the syllabus of the diploma course and all the products, everything that we'll be teaching in the diploma course, how the training will be happening, and about raw materials that will be required that during the course, and what are the timings, what is the fee structure, every detail about our diploma in cosmetic science course we'll be discussing in today's session. I know many of you would be having some questions in your mind. So whenever you have any questions, you can always ask in the chat box and I'll be able to answer your questions. So I hope my audio is clear in our side. The audio is clear. So Afreen, the audio in our side is clear. So when you have good internet connection in your side also audio will be clear. So whenever you have any questions in between the session, you can always post it in the chat box. So let us start today's session. In the course, which diploma in cosmetic science course, we teach to formulate cosmetic products from scratch using natural ingredients and like luxury category ingredients. Every ingredients that is certified by Cosmos, we use that high quality ingredients and we teach to formulate cosmetic products. So Amrita, after explaining the complete syllabus and the products which is included in the course, I'll explain in detail about the duration. Duration is actually 6 months course. So everything I'll be explaining in today's session. And in this session, we'll be teaching about every ingredient in detail so that you get complete idea about the raw materials also. There will be theory classes also and hands-on practice in the cosmetics lab, which is available in the academy. So about every ingredient we are using, and there will be theory lessons using the books, proper course materials will be there. Lesson by lesson we'll be teaching, and after we teach, the formulation will be given. In the formulation, what all ingredients are used, their benefits, and how it can be substituted, how it can be used, everything will be taught. And hands-on practice will be there in the lab also. And in this course, you'll be learning to formulate everything from scratch. That is not only what products we are teaching, but you will also be able to make your own formulation. So that will be also given as a project, which you'll be creating new formulations also. And also all the raw materials will be provided, books will be provided, so that it is completely beginner friendly. So even if you don't have any experience in this field, everything, every detail will be there, every guidance will be there, so that you get hands-on practice and you get all the confidence required for you to start your own business after you complete the course. So let me introduce myself. My name is Rixie Margaret, and I am the trainer for the Diploma in Cosmetic Science course, which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. And I have completed international programs in the field of cosmetic science and have more than 10 years experience in this field. Also, I am a central government certified TOT trainer, and I've been conducting online classes previously. At present, we are focusing on offline classes, which is happening in the academy in BTM Layout. And I have trained over 5,000 people and helped a lot of women to become an entrepreneur, which I'll be showing you in our students who have started their own brand. I'll be showing the details also. And we have an academy in Hosur, NIFDTB Academy. And the main branch of Institute of Cosmetic Science is in BTM Layout, Bangalore. So our academies are certified by National Skill Development Corporation, and these are the certificates of our academy. Our academy is ISO certified, MSME certified, NISD certified. Also, we are a lifetime member of the International Federation of Society of Cosmetic Chemists, so that the certificates which is given by our academy is also internationally valid. Reena, the classes will be in simple English, and I will be conducting the classes. And this is our GST certificate, NSDC affiliation, and incorporation certificate. So the main reason why I'm showing you the certificates of our academy is once you complete the course, you will also be certified by a academy which is government certified, which will give you a lot of confidence when you start your own business. So let me explain about the diploma in cosmetic science course. The details which is given here. Duration is actually 6 months, and there is no eligibility criteria. It is a beginner friendly course, and timing will be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And there will be theory lessons also and practical lessons with hands-on practice. Books and raw materials also will be provided, and there will be regular tests, project work which will be given where you will be making your own formulation. After completion of the course, the diploma certificate will be provided and the memento will be provided. And Zoya, the charges I will be explaining at the end of the course. And Mohini, this course we have it in online mode as well as offline mode. Mostly we prefer offline mode only. If you are from Bangalore, it is better if you do offline mode only. But if you need weekend classes, will be available on Saturdays from 10 to 1 p.m. Like Saturdays, you can attend regular. Other than that, you can attend the online classes also. So after this course, you will be able to develop your own formulation. And in this course, you will be learning to formulate over 100 types of products. And you will be learning about over 200 types of cosmetic ingredients, different types of ingredients. And you will be learning about the components of the formulation, that is emulsifiers, surfactants, every component that is required to form a formulation, surfactants and other all the phases, different phase like all oil phase or water phase, everything components will be given so that you will be able to get a deep understanding. And also we'll be teaching about good manufacturing practice and how to pack the products, how to label the products, and what are the steps to start your own cosmetics business. And in the end, we'll be teaching about the digital media marketing also. So Ranjana Tile online classes, it will be live, but recorded session also will be provided. So you don't have to worry. We are giving you all the options because online classes, we'll be recording it, we'll be uploading it, and we'll be giving you the access for the LMS also. In future, you'll be able to access it. Even if you join the offline mode, you get access for the LMS so that in future, when you formulate a cosmetic product and you have any doubt, you can always refer to the videos and you'll be able to get clarification. And so since many of you are asking about the course fee is actually 60,000 rupees, including the materials. If you're joining the online mode also, we'll be sending you the materials to your address. So if it is online or if it is offline, the total course fee is 60,000. And we prefer offline mode. If you join the offline mode, you get 100% benefit. You can come to the academy in the lab itself, you'll be able to practice. Only if you are working or you are not able to travel, it is you can get the offline mode, online mode. And Aditi, yes, access will be for lifetime. And in this course, you will be getting products worth rupees 50,000. That is including the packaging materials, raw materials, everything. Even if you are doing it online, we'll be sending it to your address. If you're doing it offline, there itself in the academy will be providing you. And definitely after this course, you'll be able to start your own brand. And after the course, you'll be getting a very valuable diploma certificate. And where you have to procure all the raw materials, the vendor information, and how to set up your own lab. Every single detail will be there. And also in this course, during the course itself, will help you to start your own social media channel, and you get networking with all the students also. Definitely everybody will be starting their own business after completing. This networking will definitely help you, and student support group is there. So whenever you have any questions or doubt, you can always, after the course also, you can get connected with me. And monthly question answer session will be there. In that also, you can get connected and you can ask your questions directly to me. And so let me explain the complete syllabus. After that, I'll give you the option to enroll in the course. And offline course, Aditi, it is for 6 months. So let me explain the syllabus. In the introduction module, you'll be learning about skin analysis and holistic skincare, and why you should formulate your own cosmetic products, and how to become a cosmetic formulator. So why we are starting from the beginning itself, that is giving an introduction about the skin type, because not every product is suitable for every type of skin, right? So there is different types of skin: oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. So every skin has its own nature. So according to the skin type, how you should formulate a product, that explanation will be given. How you should choose the ingredients according to the skin type, so that you will be able to formulate a product that will give 100% result. So Sakshi, there is no education qualification. This is a beginner friendly course. And Ranjana, definitely you can do the course in online mode also. And duration of the course is 6 months. This is a long course only, but that we are not giving you any, like you have to be regularly present in the online course. It is not like that. Whenever you are free, you can log into the LMS platform. You can log in. There is no timing. Anytime you get the access for the recorded session also. If you are free, you can attend the live classes, or you can access the recorded session also. And designing a comprehensive skincare line. That is, we'll be giving you every explanation about the equipments which are required during the course, and what are the ingredients required for cosmetics formulation, details about the ingredients, benefits of that ingredients. And very important thing is, you should know what are the different types of cosmetic products that are available: gels, creams, scrubs, lotions, face packs. What is the difference between them? How, why it is different from every other product? Every single detail will be given. And also you'll be able to create your own story, because every product, cosmetic product, will have a story behind it. Like if we are going to formulate for children based, so what all we are avoiding? We are avoiding sulfates, or we are avoiding parabens. What is the story behind them, and what benefits we'll be getting? So from the scratch, everything will be designing, and then we'll be formulating cosmetic product. And also we'll be learning about product concept. What is the concept between the product? The same like a story, the concept also is like a range of product. If we are creating, like using a single ingredient, like if you're going to use a red wine, in that red wine, what all products you're going to create, like red wine cream, red wine gel, or face wash, what you're going to do, and what is the concept, what is the consistency of the product, all that we'll be learning. And good manufacturing process, how we have to keep the place clean before manufacturing, what all things we have to do. And during the, like, how to sterilize the ingredients, equipments, everything, the workplace, all that we'll be teaching. And so Kushi, makeup formulation is a completely different course. So after you complete this course, that option is also there. Like inorganic makeup and inorganic skincare products and makeup products will be there. This is completely organic range of products, and that is a different course. That option is also there, but after you complete this course, you can take that course. So in this, all the skincare, so I will be explaining the syllabus so that you'll get to know the complete range of product. Nothing will be missing in this course. And also formulation basics. To build a formulation, what are the basic things required? What are the layers in the formulation? That is, if we are going to add oils first, then water-based ingredients, then in the normal temperature, what all we should add, and what all should be added when the product is in heating phase. Everything will be learning, so that it is not like we do add everything together and we make something. Every ingredient has to be added in a particular phase, in a particular temperature. So that also will be teaching. And next, structure of the formulation. That is, we'll have a flow chart, as I told you, what ingredient wise, if it is oils, if it is water-based ingredients, if it is hydrosols, if it is clays, what all should be added in and in what order, and skills and techniques, what all is required, like as I told you, in emulsion phase, or what is the thickness of the product and everything. So how to create a formula from scratch, how to do the calculation for the formulas, and also what are the testings that are available for cosmetics to before you launch your brand in large scale. If you're going to launch a brand in a very large scale, then you'll have to do certain testing also. For small scale, you'll not have to do anything, but for large scale, you'll have to do testing, and how to check the pH of the product, how to increase or decrease the pH level, and what are the preservatives that you can add for a product, and how to extend the shelf life of the products. Next comes the product formulation. So we'll be starting with facial oils, which is very easy to formulate. So we'll be formulating according to the skin type, like facial oil for dry skin, then oily skin or acne prone skin, and then for mature skin or aging type of skin, and then sensitive skin. Then how we can blend different oils together and we can create a product. And then we'll be making serums, that is oil based serums, that is like basic kinds of serum, which is result oriented. And then we'll be formulating body and massage oils and body sprints. So everything will be learning, like from, because this is a beginner friendly course. Once you formulate all the oil based products, then you'll be confident enough to formulate the emulsions. And then you'll be learning to formulate serums for dry skin, oily skin, and sensitive skin. Then we'll be formulating a cleansing oil. And these are the product which we'll be formulating. That is Moringa dry oil, and then coconut and lime body oil, soothing and relaxing massage and bath oil, balancing and uplifting massage and bath oil, and avocado and hemp facial oil for dry skin, grapeseed, hazelnut, and rosehip oil, pomegranate, calendula facial serum for oily skin. All these products which we are teaching are luxury category products. Just by making one or two products, you can create your own brand. And we are teaching more than 100 types of products. All these are luxury products. All this you can never find in the market-based products. So mostly market-based products, they will be using one or two ingredients, like very less quantity, and they will be labeling it as that product is made of, if it is a moringa oil based serum or a massage oil. So they will be adding like 5 ml, 0.5 ml to 2 ml. That will be the maximum amount. But that label, they will put it as like the whole bottle of oil contains only moringa oil. All that will not be doing here. Here we'll be adding like 20%, 30% of natural ingredient, and we'll be creating a product which is completely result oriented. And we'll be learning Age Defy Radiant Serum, lavender and bergamot bath oil, apricot and grapeseed cleansing oil, peach and grapeseed cleansing oil, pomegranate cleansing gel, mixed fruits cleansing gel. So all these are luxury ingredients, luxury products which we are teaching. Next, step by step, we'll be moving on to butters. So we'll be learning about different types of anhydrous butters and bombs. And then we'll be formulating products like bedtime bath and body butters, whipped body butter, balms and salves, and we'll be formulating lip balm, gel balm, cleansing balm. And in that category, we'll be Formulating camellia and grapeseed cleansing gel, ylang ylang sweet almond cleansing balm, lavender and cocoa bedtime body butter, whipped shea butter for dry skin, sweet orange cocoa whipped body butter, mango whipped body butter, simple lip balm formulation while adding emulsifying wax. And not only that, we'll be formulating lip balm with sea buckathon, that is CO2 extract and vegan calendula slate, and multi-purpose moisturizing sea buckathon balm, rose beauty balm, ultra protective lip balm with lanolin, moisturizing gel balm with sucra gel, and frankincense cleansing balm, luxurious mango cleansing butter. And next is bath and body soaks. That is the salt-based soaks which we use for aromatherapy, and in the spas they will be using. So we'll be learning to formulate different types of soaks. That is rose and milk bath soak, and peppermint foot soak, and sea salt and goat milk bath soak, and coconut milk bath soak. All this will be formulating. And exfoliants and scrubs. These are also not a normal scrubs which you are finding in the market, which is filled with chemicals. These are natural, certified ingredients we are using, and luxury category ingredients we are using. And we'll be formulating a body scrub, lip scrub, facial scrub. And in that category, we'll be formulating grapefruit and geranium body scrub, mango, coconut, and sugar lip scrub, grapefruit, orange calendula facial scrub, and peach and poppy seed body scrub, vanilla, shea sugar, these vanilla and shea butter sugar scrub, lemon and orange lip scrub. All this will be using sucra gel and will be formulating. So now when you listen to all these ingredients, you will be feeling little overwhelmed. But in the course, it is very, very simple. When you use that ingredient and when you formulate the products, you'll feel very, very happy. And it is a very pleasant experience for you, because these are the smell of these ingredients. And when you use those ingredients and when you create products using these ingredients, every day you'll be learning formulation. Every day you'll be formulating a beautiful cosmetic product, and you'll be trying it on yourself. And all these ingredients, luxury ingredients, will make you feel very, really good. And it is very, very interesting. So in toners, princers, mist, and gel, you will be learning facial mist, toner with alcohol and gels. And in that category, you will be learning hydrating rose, aloe, and cucumber facial mist, juniper berry and lemon toner, green tea toner, hydrating hyaluronic acid toner, and moisturizing hyaluronic acid facial gel. And you'll be learning emulsions. Emulsions will be the next level. So in that, you'll be learning what is an emulsion and surfactants that will be used, how you should choose an emulsion. And if something goes wrong in every product, there is troubleshooting also, which is included in the course. So you'll be learning to troubleshoot. If something goes wrong, what has to be done? And you'll be learning to formulate a cream, facial cream, lotion for face and body, and how to formulate according to different skin types, and how to formulate a oil-free moisturizer, and how to formulate a emulsified body butter, body milk. And you'll be learning about Indian Cosmetics Regulation Act also. Everything will be covered in the course. So you'll be learning lavender facial lotion, oil-free moisturizer, facial lotion with licorice and niacinamide, and you'll be learning geranium and macadamia body lotion, and coconut and shea body butter, and frankincense face cream for mature skin. And you'll be learning floral moisturizing lotion, sweet summer body milk, eye cream with caffeine and ceramide complex, soothing cleansing lotion, and olive exfoliating lotion. So next will be hair care. It is not only skincare. You'll be learning in detail about hair care also. You'll be learning to formulate according to different types of hair anatomy, and the structure of the hair. You'll be learning hair types, shapes, hair growth cycle and laws also you'll be learning. And in that, you'll be learning to formulate a shampoo, and you'll be learning in detail about the surfactants used in the hair care. And in most important thing is, in every product, you'll be learning in detail about active ingredients, thickeners used in hair care, and conditioning agents. Because when we talk about hair care, shampoo and conditioner is the most important products. And we'll be learning about preservatives, chelators used used in hair care, pearlizers, fragrance, colorants. So when you hear all these words for the first time, you might not understand it. But when you formulate these products, it is very, very interesting. So you'll be learning to formulate shampoos according to different types of hair, because not all shampoos, what we are buying in the market, we are just buying the shampoo, but it is not like that. There is different shampoos for different hair types also. There is regular shampoos, clarifying shampoos, daily use shampoos, anti-dandruff shampoos, and shampoo bars also is very famous these days. So you'll be learning about conditioners also, and how to formulate different types of conditioners according to different hair types, formulating a rinse off conditioner and a leave-in conditioner, because nowadays both are important. If you have a frizzy hair type, then you have to use a rinse off conditioner also and a leave-in conditioner also. Only then the hair will be maintained. So in this category, you'll be learning to formulate citrus burst clarifying shampoo, rosemary and bringraj daily use shampoo, kelp and mint conditioning shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo, fragrant orange solid shampoo bar, eco-friendly shampoo bar, and you'll be learning shea coconut and rinse of conditioner, leave-in conditioner, intense conditioner. So there is a lot of difference between different types of conditioner also. Not all conditioners are suitable for every type of hair. Lavender and mandarin detangling spray, herbal boost co-wash and dry frizzy hair. So honey and banana deep conditioner bar. So different types of conditioner also will be taught, and spray, bars, oils, hair care products. In that you'll be learning detangling spray, conditioning spray, hair treatments and styling products, hair oil and hair mask. And in this category, you'll be learning to formulate a hair wax, a dry shampoo, a herbal shampoo, a mineral mask, a fizz control spray, and scalp care products. These all are international products. That is why you're getting so many products in different category. So you'll be learning a scalp cleanser, scalp serum, hair gel, heat protection spray. In that category, you'll be learning Argan Beauty butter for hair, hair wax and anti-frizz spray, purifying dry shampoo with clay, detox clay hair mask, Ayurvedic color protect paste shampoo. So Ranjana, definitely it will be specified according to different skin types. And next is kids formulation. So you can also, after learning this course, when you start with, you can start with skincare, then you can expand for hair care, then you can expand for kids formulation. So you will have a complete beauty shop. If you're going to start your business, you will have all the products required. And you'll be learning formulating tear-free shampoo, formulating natural conditioner, formulating a detangling spray, and a body wash, a Play-Doh soap. Play-Doh soap and all you can never find in India. These are international products which we are teaching. So you'll be learning tear-free children's shampoo, 2-in-1 kids shampoo and body wash, Play-Doh shampoo, children's detangling spray, lime and coconut conditioner. And next is men's formulation for exclusively for men. That is mustache wax and beard oil, beard balm, shaving bar, shaving foam, and you'll be learning styling wax, mustache styling wax, high quality beard oil, beard balm, shaving bar, and shaving foam. And in activated serums, you'll be learning antioxidants. We'll be using a lot of active ingredients in the formulations like antioxidants and their uses. Vitamins we'll be using. Active ingredients which has therapeutic properties we'll be using. Active botanicals also we'll be using. So we'll be learning to formulate oil-based serum, vitamin C serum, anti-inflammatory serum, ceramides rich serum, and lip serum using vitamin C and coenzyme Q10. And in this, you'll be learning formulating a pressed serum, gel-based serum, serum for hyperpigmentation, hyaluronic acid serum, vitamin E and vitamin C serum, niacinamide serum, eye serum, vitamin A anti-aging serum. And then you'll be learning cherry radiance mark. That is, we'll be using these active ingredients in the creams and masks also. Superfruit toner and peppermint foot cream, regenerating night cream, honey and green tea toner. And we'll be learning antioxidant concentrate serum for vitamin C, barrier support serum with ceramides, lip pairing lip serum with vitamin C and coenzyme Q10, and golden rose press serum, brightening serum, moisture boost serum, and then antioxidant rich soft gel serum, balancing gel cream serum with niacinamide, and we'll be learning toning eye serum with caffeine, anti-aging night serum with vitamin A, anti-redness biface serum with Gotukala, an anti-pollution biface serum, exfoliating AHA biface serum, and next is soap formulation. So in this also there will be very detailed explanation about saponification, safety instructions, and what is lye, what is a cold process soap. And in that, you'll be learning to formulate a castile soap, coconut soap, nourishing soap, gentle soap, exfoliating soap, mineral clay soap, African black soap, a cupcake soap, and you'll be learning to formulate milk soap, honey soap, Himalayan salt soap, and an alcoholic soap, and soap decoration techniques also will be there. So in this, you will be learning exfoliating gardener's soap, charcoal purifying soap, rose clay soap, African black soap, nourishing milk soap, gentle honey soap, pink exfoliating salt baths. And you'll be learning some party ready products also, hair decoration products like formulating a hair perfume, formulating a hair styling spray, formulating a glitter spray, and hair shine mask, a glitter gel, color gel, hair mousse, and blemish cream. Everything will be taught in that. And these are the products which we are teaching in that category. Herb hair perfume, sensual feminine hair perfume. Different types of hair perfumes will be taught, and natural hair styling spray, glitter spray, hair shine mist, glitter gel, color gel. These are just for decoration. It is like when you wash it off, it will go away. And natural hair mousse, blemish cream, everything will be there. So let me explain the course fee. The diploma in cosmetic science course fee is 60,000 when you joined during the webinar. So it is not like every time it is not 60,000. When you go to the institute also, the course fee is 75,000. This is a special offer we have for 60,000 today. So I know every one of you are interested to join in this course. So you can make a payment of rupees 5,000. We will block your seat and you can avail the same course for 60,000 rupees, the offer fee. So you can, I'll share the GPay number on the screen. So if you have any question, you can ask me. If you got the answers for all the questions, you can make the payment of rupees 5,000 and we'll book your slots. So this 60,000, that is the 5,000 which you are paying is for the admission fee. Rest, you'll have to pay 25,000 at the end of June. That is the last month you can come to the academy. You can make the payment of 25,000. And at the end of July, you can make the balance payment of 30,000. So the classes will start from August 5th onwards. Class timing will be 10 to 3 p.m. So our academy is in BTM layout in the outer ring road itself. Like in the main road, Ola Experience Center is there. In that second and third floor, we have the academy. In one floor, we have all the theory lessons, and in the other floor, we have all the practical lessons. There is a lab where you can practice. We'll be providing all the raw materials required for the course. So still, if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask in the chat box. And Ankita, no, we only offer complete course. So the complete diploma in cosmetic science course, the fee is 60,000. So those of you who have made the payment, kindly post it in the chat box itself. If you have made the payment, we'll be able to check and we'll be able to confirm your payment. Others, if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat box. And yes, this same course is available in online mode also, in offline mode also. So for online mode, we'll be sending you the raw materials. So we'll be sending you the raw materials according to the module. So when we are doing the module 1, we'll be sending the raw materials to you for module 1. So once you receive it, you can join the live classes and you can use the product and you do the formulations along with that. So if you are not able to like join the online classes also, also you can watch the regular class, like recorded classes, and you can do this one. Online charges are also same. So in this course, for the fees which you are paying, you are going to get theory classes, hands-on practice, and 30,000 worth raw materials also will be sending it to you. If you're going to come to the academy and you're going to learn offline, then also you'll be receiving one by one, you'll be receiving the raw materials worth 30,000. And so, Ankita, sorry, Anika, the classes will be from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So in a week, there will be 5 classes. So you'll be getting all the, once you make the product also, you'll need a packaging supplies that also will be providing you. Rizwana online timings is also same from morning 10 a.m. So we'll be doing the session, we'll be doing the theory lessons. That time we'll go live so that you can watch us online also, you can learn. And that recording we will be posting the next day, it will be uploaded. So from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., the same online classes and offline classes will be happening simultaneously. So you'll be getting the books required for the course, and we'll be giving you the bag, bottle, lab coat, everything will be provided in the, because in the cosmetics lab, you'll be using a lab coat that also will be provided by us. And the certificate and memento after completion of the course, this doesn't have any value. It is invaluable. It is very, very useful, because this is a very like, our academy is a registered academy, and the certificate which we are giving you is very valuable. We'll be giving you the certificate. You'll be getting the memento after, also after completing the course. And still, if you have any questions, you can post in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. This is a special offer. When you come to the academy and when you join the classes directly, the course fee will be 75,000. So definitely, Ranjana, you can come to the academy on Saturday if possible, or definitely we can arrange a week masterclass. Definitely, it is possible for online students, but it is better if you are, those who are from Bangalore, it is better if you can join the online class. So, sorry, offline classes. Kushi, this special offer is only for the first batch of 20 students. We have 2 batches which will be happening. For the first batch, we are taking we are charging only 60,000. So this is a special offer. We have very few seats left. You can pay till 9 tonight. You can pay 5,000 and you can block the seats. 10 p.m. we'll be closing this offer. And Mohini, definitely I can understand. Most of our students are working professional. We have so many doctors who have done the course. They are working, they don't have time. So this course we have been providing from 2019 onwards in Hosur branch. Now we have started in Bangalore branch also. We have trained over 5,000 students. So we understand most of them will be working and they won't be available at the particular timing. So every day you don't have to join. In the weekends, you can watch the classes whenever possible. In a month, one day, maybe you can come to the academy on Saturdays. If not, that is also okay. You can join online. You can watch the recorded session. And Anika, it is not 1 week class. It is 6 months course. It will be 6 months lessons will be there, 6 months course. And so weekends on Saturday till from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. we'll be working, because we too need one day off. So Saturdays we won't be working. Sundays we won't be working. Weekend we'll be working on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And definitely I'll be showing our. This is our Facebook support group, which we have all our students together in this group. So we have our students, whenever they have any questions, they will post in this group. Whenever they formulate any products, they post in this group. So all these beautiful products they have formulated, and regularly they have started their brand. Whenever, because the trend keeps changing, sometimes new ingredients keeps trending in Instagram, in social media. So immediately they formulate new products and they introduce in their business. That time they will post in this group also. So other students also will get inspired and they will also get motivated and they also formulate new products and they post in this group. So many of our students, they are very, very successful brand owners. So many brands have been started by them. So much of orders they are getting. There are so many of them, they are earning in lakhs all by working from home. Many of them are working from home itself. So this is a great opportunity for you. You'll be learning so many products. So just like our students, you can also become a brand owner. You can also formulate all these beautiful products and you can also start your own cosmetic brands. So the investment also, the raw materials are not very costly. You can easily buy the raw materials where, like a particular product, if you're going to make, you can buy the raw materials required and you can formulate those cosmetic products. So initially, once you complete this course, you'll have like 50, at least 50 products in your hand to start your brand, because in this course itself, you'll be learning all these products, right? So after this, after the completion of the course, at least you'll have 50 brands, 50 products in your hand. With that, you can start your business. So Ranjana, 10 to 3, it will be live. Next day, you'll get the recording of the session. So it is not compulsory to join 10 to 3. You can join anytime. So it is not like mandatory to join at a particular timing. Like if you join live directly, you can ask questions also during that time. But if not, if you're working or if you're not able to join, that's okay. Next day you can join. You can watch the recordings and next day you can ask the classes. For 6 months, you can do the same thing. So, like any which ways, you'll get all the recordings, but whenever you find time, make sure you join the live classes also. So that you get 100% knowledge about everything. So to show the brands and to show the students support, like student success stories, we have so many success stories. So many of our students, they are successful entrepreneurs. So it goes on and on. So don't miss this opportunity, because later if you come to the academy also, I won't be able to give you the same offer. So till 10 p.m. you have the opportunity to enroll in this course just by paying 5,000 admission fee, and balance 25,000 you can come to the academy in the month of June. In this month, last week, you can come to the academy. You can make the payment of 25,000, or you can pay online itself. So in the last week of July, you can make the payment course fee, second installment of 30,000. So these are the success stories of our students. So let me share some videos also from our students. So you'll get access to the same group. So these are the brands which have been started by our students, and many photos which I showed earlier also. Those are all the brands which have been started by our students. You'll be learning to formulate all these beautiful products. Definitely, you will also become a brand owner just like our students.
Hi, I want to thank NIFDTB for their amazing course, and I had a wonderful time learning from Rexy ma'am. She was amazing and very helpful throughout the entire process. Thank you.
She is our student from US. So we have many international students also who have done the course, and internationally they have started their business. So you can also, after completing the course, you will also definitely, if internationally they are able to do in India, definitely you will also be able to start your own business. So we have so many doctors who have done the course and started their business. So let us see another review from a doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bharti Kumar, and it was a really nice experience to have the learnings from your institute. And I'm very sure that all of you might be helping thousands of people to stand up on their own feet and be independent financially. The course is well designed, well explained, and I'm happy that I completed my learnings from your institute. Thanks a lot.
So I understand many students of us like who have joined the course initially they were not financially independent. They had to struggle to make the payment, but now they are earning in lakhs all by selling the cosmetic products. That is why in this course itself we are providing all the raw materials for you, and we are giving you hands-on practice so that once you complete the course you will have so many products in your hand. With those products you will be able to start your business. During the course itself we will encourage you to start your own brand, to start your own Instagram page, to start your own YouTube channel. So in the academy itself you'll be able to create videos which you can regularly. During the 6 months we will give you all the guidance to like create videos also. And definitely once you, if you are going to join the online class also, you can come to the academy whenever you find time. Anytime you can come to the academy, you can make videos, any questions directly you can talk with us. So we will be definitely arranging meetups for all the online students also, so that you also get academy experience. But if you are from Bangalore, we encourage you to attend the offline classes, which will definitely be very useful for you. If not, you can do the online classes, but the support from us, it will be 100%. And you'll get all the encouragement, you'll get all the motivation required for you to start your own cosmetics business. Definitely at the end of the course, you will have a business page. That is the only way, that too in digital age today. If we have a Instagram page, if we have a Facebook page and a YouTube page, that is enough to start our business and run the business successfully. So by posting videos regularly, when you formulate cosmetic products, when you make videos every day, and when you just think, when you formulate products for 6 months, how many videos you'll have in your hand to regularly post in your Instagram page, in your Facebook page, and in your YouTube page. Just think, at the end of 6 months, definitely your videos will go viral, and definitely you will start getting orders, because already at the end of the 6th month you'll have so many products to sell. So what you are investing now, definitely you will get it back. Then that profit you can reinvest, then you can continue your business, right? It is very very easy. So this course will give you everything. It will equip you with everything, every guidance that is required for you to start your own business. So don't miss this opportunity. I hope I have answered all your questions. So I'll be there for another few minutes. If you still have any questions in your mind, you can ask in the chat box. So let me explain about the course details once again. And Mohini, initial investment required, if you're going to start with 2, 3 products, definitely you can start by investing 1,000 to 2,000. That is enough, because when you start your business, you'll not not start with all the 100 products, right? You'll be starting with 2, 3 products. For that, 1,000 to 2,000, that is more than enough. Then you can sell that product and you can reinvest. But when you join this course, you don't need any investment. Only the course fee which you are paying, that is enough. Once you complete the course, at the end of the course, you'll have all the products ready with you. What you have learned during the course, you can take that product with you, and that product is enough for you to start your business. So once you sell all those products, then you can reinvest and you can formulate new products. So initially, only this course fee is required for you to start your business. So once you learn, at the end of the course, you'll have so many products in your hand. With that product, you can start your business. So during the course itself, you can create your business page, you can keep a name for your business, everything you can do. And during the course itself, you can start your own business. So Mohini, you're most welcome. And let me explain the complete course details again. So basically, the duration of the course is 6 months, starting from August 5th onwards, but we'll be closing the admissions for the course. Once the seats are full, we'll be closing the admissions of the course, because only for the seats we have, we will be able to take the admissions, right? Even if it is online or offline, we only have first 20 seats for one batch and 20 seats for second batch. Only that we have. So based on first come, first serve. So we'll be taking the admissions. Once the seats are full, we'll be closing it. And only for the first batch, we are giving this special offer of 60,000. And to secure your seat, you'll have to pay rupees 5,000 by 10 p.m. today, so that we will hold your seat. And first installment has to be paid at the end of this month, that is June month. And the second installment, first installment of 25,000 has to be paid at the end of this month. And second installment of 30,000 has to be paid at the end of July month. So all the materials will start sending you by the end of July month. You'll start receiving the materials once the fees, everything is over. We'll be sending you the materials. August 5th onwards, we'll be starting the classes online and offline. Everyday classes will be from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Both online and offline classes will be there. So I know every one of you are interested in joining the course. So don't miss this opportunity. When you miss this opportunity, you'll have to pay 75,000. And if the seats are full, again, even 75,000 fee option will not be available. So this is only based on or like seat basis. So still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat box. And if you need any support from us, if you need a call back or anything, if you want to talk with me directly, any support you need from us, you can leave your number in the chat box. Okay, so I'll be like, if you want any support, I'm leaving you a WhatsApp number also. It will be the same number in which you have received all the messages till now. 8807467385. So you can always WhatsApp to this number to reach me, so that I'll be able to answer your questions in WhatsApp also. But once you make the payment, kindly share the screenshot to the same number, 8807467385. But don't forget, you'll have to pay and enroll by 10 p.m. today. So this is the number for sharing the screenshot, and we will reserve your seat, and we'll give you the confirmation in the same WhatsApp. So I wish to see every one of you inside the course. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Have a great day. Thank you, Ranjana.